Learn this astonishing law of attraction sleep technique that is extremely effective and easy to do. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. Your dreams, your goals. I don't know what your dreams are. Money, prosperity, abundance, love, relationships. That's what this channel is all about. And so thank you for joining us. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon. We're right here for you every day, Monday through Friday. You know, we spend a third of our life sleeping. That's a long time. A third of our life is spent sleeping. So why not take that 1/3 of your life that you're going to do anyway, and put it to manifestation use. In other words, use it to manifest your deepest desires. Remember, your dreams and goals ultimately spring forth from your beliefs, your deepest beliefs, which are locked up in your subconscious mind. Those beliefs connect to the infinite field of potential. And that's when the universe begins to match what you are, not what you want. So, rule number one, and I have to say that a lot of manifestors get this wrong. They tell their subconscious mind while they're falling asleep what they want. So they're going to sleep and they're falling asleep and dozing off. I want a new home. I want a new dream home. And so the subconscious mind hears, I want, I want, I want. And so it sends that vibration out to the universe. And the universe says, oh, we better send down some more wanting. And that's what happens. You end up with more wanting in your life. So I'm going to suggest that you use an incantation. Now, in our system, Miracle Mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching, affirmations work on the subconscious mind through the conscious mind, while incantations are direct commands to the subconscious mind. So I don't like to command the subconscious mind. I like to invoke it or call it, because the subconscious mind is very fragile and it's connected to the infinite field of potential. So here we go. I would say something like this. I'm falling asleep. I'm dozing off. I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to aid me in manifesting and attracting my dream home. Now that's very simple, because now you are invoking the power of your subconscious mind to aid you in your goals. Now think about this. The last few minutes, some people say 5 minutes, some say 7, some say 3, but the last few minutes before you fall asleep is when you imprint your next day. So why not take the beliefs that you desire, invoke the power of your subconscious mind to imprint what you desire on the next day. That way, the next day you have energy and vibration in harmony with your conscious desires and goals. It absolutely works. It's extremely effective. So you can use this for just about anything. I invoke the power and aid of my subconscious mind to help me feel excited and motivated and thrilled and passionate about my goals tomorrow upon rising. And so I might say that as I am falling asleep. Now, here's the next part of this. There is a caveat, and that is you can invoke the power of your subconscious mind, but you also have to feel it in your body and in your energy field. So, okay, we have a new home here. What I did when we were looking at this home is I called upon my subconscious mind to aid me. And then I visualized myself walking into our new home and looking at our swimming pool and our living room and our television room and our office. And then I went into our bedroom and I fell asleep. In other words, I fell asleep in my sleep. You can do that with your car too. You're attracting a new car. Visualize that beautiful new car, opening up that door, getting in, starting the engine, feeling it, and then turning it off and closing your eyes and falling asleep. I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to magnetize me in the direction of a new car, to help me attract an incredible new car into my life. You can use this technique for everything. You do it before you fall asleep at night. It is absolutely effective, and please share your results down below. Do it for 5-7 days. 5 to 7 days. That's all I ask. And then, and do something small. Start with something small like, I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to help me attract $20 from an unexpected source in the next 5 to 7 days. You could do that, for example, and then write it down below. You're going to be absolutely amazed at the power of your own mind to help you attract everything and anything you absolutely desire. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.